Hey everyone. Today we're diving into eSIM on Metro by T-Mobile. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card built right into your phone. No physical card needed. Think of it as a virtual SIM. Instead of popping a tiny plastic card into your phone, you simply activate a profile on the built-in chip. Metro by T-Mobile now fully supports eSIM, making things super convenient. You can quickly switch plans or have multiple numbers on one device. Plus, it's better for the environment since we're cutting down on plastic waste. It's also more secure with features like biometric verification to prevent fraud during setup. So if you're looking for a hassle-free, eco-friendly, and secure way to manage your Metro service, eSIM is the way to go. All right, let's get your eSIM set up. First, make sure your phone is compatible. Most newer iPhones like iPhone XR and later, and Android devices such as Samsung Galaxy S20 and newer support eSIM. Step 1. Purchase a Metro by T-Mobile plan and get your eSIM QR code. Metro will send it to you via email, SMS, or through their app or website. Step 2. Open your phone's Settings app. Step 3. Go to Cellular or Mobile Data, then tap Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Step 4. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your plan and activate your eSIM. You might need to verify through the Metro app or website. Step 6. Once activated, test your connection. You should be up and running within minutes. Key takeaway: eSIMs are easy to set up with a QR code, offer greater flexibility, and are becoming the standard, so embrace the future of mobile connectivity.